Hey, good morning, everybody. How is everybody today? I hope everybody's doing good. Time is now 6:33 a.m. I've been here for the last 20 minutes or so. I did miss two mixed freights. I kind of figured I would. Q415, Q1, and 371. But you guys, P872. Today's probably one of those days. I don't know how long I'm gonna be. Don't know how many freights going to be today. I do know I got 135 coming. I got N740 coming. Possible WO80, a Herzog train. Possible coming. I'm not quite sure about that yet. I'm 50-50. So let's see what happens. Alright, see you guys in the next one.